Okay, I figured I'd show off the dark grays. This one has a little bit of a scratch. The dark grays failed on me, so I've got a bunch of good ones, but not. Right there, that's the color flash. So that's on that face. So if I turn this around and tip, you see how that one literally just doesn't sparkle? That's the best the camera seems to pick up. It's there, it just, like, you can sort of see it in the surface. It's a little more visible in person. It's like there's a very fine glitter. Ooh, that actually shows it pretty good. I think it's better on the flat surfaces. So that's the dark gray. I don't have the orange on me. The orange is currently upstairs. Here's the purple. And sadly, the camera doesn't seem to catch the color just right. But it's got the neat flash. The purple and the orange seem to have muted the silver mica a little bit. But it's an interesting effect. And then again, the underside. Here we go. The insides turned out great. I think if I were to print these flat, this could be even more crazy. Let's do it this way. Ooh, ooh. Come on, focus, focus. Please and thank you. So no color flash out. Oh, there it is. Yeah, these turned out really neat with the glitter. They're not the craziest, but they sure are something.